Hey everyone, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily update for Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024. Nasdaq got rinsed today. You see the Qs here closed down 3.6% as the sell-off in Mag 7 and large cap tech stocks continues. Now, there were some important clues that the sell-off was afoot. But if we wind the clock back a week, all right, you do not want to be short a market that is in a strong uptrend like this. All right, strong uptrend, green momentum bars, making new highs. It's not really an environment where you want to be net short. But there were some important clues, things like the put call ratio, which I've talked about in previous videos, looking at non-dealer positioning in equity index futures. One of the big heads up that we had was in the Tao dashboard, which is where our risk on risk off gauge on Monday, Friday it was at a 5, Monday it was at a 2. And if the risk on risk off is at a 0, 1 or a 2, that means really you want to fade any rallies. It means the market is in a risk off environment. So that gave me and our members a really important heads up that something was afoot. And despite how bullish everything felt on Monday, we did not chase the rally. Now, time for another little lesson on hedging. Okay, coming into today, I was long call options in TTD. All right, and the stock got smoked today. All right, it was down. What's that? 11.5%. All right, now that's obviously not fun, but let me show you something. So these were my positions. I don't know if you can see this. So TTD, I came out of that today. I bought the 9th of August $100 calls at 540, sold them today at 289. So that's a 46.5% loss. That's very close to my 50% OMG stop loss, which I do not like to get near. But I still had a position in the 16th of August 490 puts. Now we sold some on the 18th of July. At 1565, that was 147.6% profit. I did a video on that a couple of days ago. The second portion I sold today, 24th of July, at 2676. All right, so that's for a 323% profit. All right, so if you've got a position that makes a 46% loss, well, it's not much fun. But if you've got a hedge that's making a profit of 323%, believe me, that masks a lot of pain. And this is the beauty of hedging with options, right? You can buy an option and your worst possible case is you'll lose 100%. You buy a hedge, you can make a whole lot more than 100% when things go your way, all right? So that is why we hedge. That is the power of hedging. And despite a nasty day in the markets and having a long position in a tech-related stock, my NLV was actually up today. I'm now flat. I don't have any open positions, which means I can assess these markets without any baggage, without hoping the market does one thing or another, and I can really just look at the markets and what's going to happen next with complete objectivity, which is a really great asset to have when markets are getting a little volatile. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow.